Hey friends, good afternoon. Today is 19th of September 22. I am on board my geotechnical ship in the Baltic as a offshore project manager and a survey party chief. In our last discussion, we just discussed about the survey spread on a geotechnical survey. We were on the topic of geotechnical properties of soil that concern us, which were the grain size distribution, the plasticity, compressibility, and the shear strength of the soil. Now, when we say so, what are we exactly looking at? Silt particles are from 0.002 to 0.05 millimeter in diameter. The sand ranges from 0.05 to 2 millimeter in diameter, while particles bigger than 2 millimeters are called gravel and stones. Most soil contain a mixture of soil, silt, and clay in different proportions. There are three types of basic soil test: the plasticity test, thumb penetration test, and the pocket pentameter test. Let's deliberate on the same. Plastic limit is the water moisture content at which a thread of soil with 3.2 millimeter diameter begins to crumble. Basically, it is the ability of soil material to change shape, but not the volume under an influence of constant pressure, and retain the impressed shape when the pressure is removed. The next interesting one is the shrinkage limit. It is basically the water content at which the soil changes from semi-solid to a solid state. At this moisture content, the volume of the soil mass ceases to change with further drying of the material. What else are we looking at? Potential hydrogen, abbreviated as pH. It tells us how much hydrogen is in liquids and how active the hydrogen ion is. Pure sand is mostly made of silica, a substance with a neutral pH of 7, while clay soil is naturally alkaline and has a pH range of between 8 to 10. Basically, alkaline has an effect or chemical behavior opposite to that of an acid. Seawater is mostly alkaline. Baking soda, which helps to neutralize acidity, is alkaline. Then we have alkaline batteries. Basically, alkaline is a material which has free ions or valence electron. It is measured in pH on the scale of 0 to 14, where pH 1 is very acidic and pH 14 is quite alkaline. Normal drinking water has a pH of 7. Alkaline water would have a pH from 8 to 9, which is found mostly in the fresh mountain streams, which were the source of drinking water for our earlier generations up till now. It was the water that ran over through rocks and picked up minerals. However, today the alkaline water we find in stores as a cure of acid reflux is mostly a product of electrolysis. The RO water purifiers, reverse osmosis purifiers, that are very prevalent nowadays, basically remove the minerals from the water and make it neutral or somewhat acidic. Now to turn it back into alkaline, we then have ionizers. So what we spoiled in nature, we are trying to fix it by chemical processes. Hope this discussion was interesting, a bit informative. Take care. Bye bye. We'll see you around.